What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get fuel in Lassie Survival Shooter. So if you're looking for a way to get fuel here in Lassie Survival Shooter, well, there are a few things here that you could do. Now, one of the most effective ways to earn fuel is by joining an alliance. Now, alliances often come with shared benefits, so whenever a group completes objectives or events, all members usually get rewarded. And yes, fuel is one or is often part of that reward pool. So if you're not in an alliance yet, definitely consider joining one. Now, another key method here that you could do is through boomer hunts. Now, which are available during the Danger Lurks event. So these hunts are pretty straightforward. You engage in combat with creatures called boomers, and depending on the level of the boomer, you'll get more or less fuel. So higher level boomers give more, but even the low level ones are still worth doing. So don't skip on them. Now, there's also a daily raider event that you could do. So okay, let's go and access this one. So which rotates every day. So sometimes these missions include fuel as part of the reward, which while fuel isn't guaranteed in everyday radar missions, it does show up fairly often here, so it's worth checking them daily. So that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.